The Dallas Cowboys have a history of turning undrafted players into NFL stars. Think Tony Romo, Miles Austin, and Terrence Steele. In 2025, that tradition continues as 3 undrafted free agents are making waves during organized team activities, aka OTAs. Wide receiver Traeshon Holden, safety Alijah Clark, and tight end Rivaldo Fairweather are not just participating, they're standing out. Let's dive into how these under-the-radar talents are seizing their opportunity and aiming for a spot on the Cowboys roster. Traeshon Holden, 205-pound wideout from Oregon, brings a blend of size and athleticism to the Cowboys receiving corps. After transferring from Alabama to Oregon, Holden showcased the skills with 28 receptions for 462 yards and 3 touchdowns in his final college season. Despite going undrafted, arrived at the Cowboys rookie minicamp with a chip on his shoulder, stating, "I'm coming for heads." During OTAs, Holden has returned the heads with his crisp route running and reliable hands. Reports highlight his ability to create separation and to make contested catches, are valuable in the NFL. But the Cowboys' depth at wide receiver faced stiff competition, but his performance thus far suggests he's up for the challenge. Alijah Clark, a 6'1", 187-pound safety from Syracuse, is making a strong case for himself during OTAs. Known for his football IQ and physicality, Clark started 34 games in college, amassed 181 tackles and 10 pass defense. His standout performance in the 2024 Direct TV Holiday Bowl earned him defensive MVP honors. In OTAs, Clark has taken advantage of injuries in the secondary, earned the first-team reps alongside Wanye Thomas. His ability to read the quarterback and support the run fits well with the Cowboys' defensive scheme. Clark's versatility and special teams experience increases his chance of making the final roster. Rivaldo Fairweather, in at 6'4" and weighing 262 pounds, is a tight end from Auburn with a basketball background that translates well to the football field. On college season, he recorded 33 receptions for 349 yards and 6 touchdowns. Fairweather's strength lies in his ball skills and catch radius, making him a reliable target in the red zone. His ability to line up in multiple positions adds to his value. While the Cowboys' tight end room is competitive, Fairweather's unique skill set and performance during OTAs suggests he could carve out a niche role, particularly in scoring situations. The performance of Holden, Clark, and Fairweather during OTAs exemplify the potential impact of undrafted free agents. Their determination, field contributions are turning heads and challenging the status quo. The Cowboys have a history of finding gems among undrafted free agents. This trio could be the next success stories. As the team progresses through the offseason, these players will need to continue their strong performances in training camp and preseason games. Their versatility, work ethic, and playmaking abilities positions them to compete for roster spots and to contribute to the team's success in the upcoming season. Traeshon Holden, Alijah Clark, and Rivaldo Fairweather are proving the draft status doesn't define a player's potential. Their impressive showing to OTAs have put them on the radar, and their journeys are just beginning. Which are these undrafted talents do you think will make the biggest impact for the Cowboys this season? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth Cowboys coverage. Stay tuned as we continue to follow these players as onto the 53-man roster.